it's always great to be outside to make an outdoor review for the new PGYTECH OneMo tactical backpack. And yes, this is the 35-liter variant, and we shall be exploring it fully to understand if this backpack is made for you and also if it fits my needs. So let's get straight in this outdoor review. Okay, so you can get the OneMo tactical backpack in two sizes, the 25-liter and the 35-liter. I have opted for the 35-liter as fits my need for a bigger backpack. First of all, I will be mentioning this airframe suspension system. Lightweight, breathable and comfortable, with the padded wide shoulder strap and adjustable chest strap. On the back panel there are also the attachment points, and the airframe harness contours to your back for a stable, secure carry. The full access rear panel features a 180-degree lay-flat design, providing maximal visibility and easy access to all your gear. With my 35-liter variant, I can put two camera lenses with bodies and also a couple of lenses more with my drone, controller, action cameras, batteries and all the other stuff and gear I need for an outdoor shoot. From the side you have the single catch window, convenient for quick access to long lenses, cameras and battery replacement. Yes, you have the actual battery storage with actual signing green and red whether your battery is empty or full. From the upper part you have the zipper for the top opening, and yes, if you like to put a top-mounted camera body and lens, this will be the perfect option. From the front part you have the pull to open instant access part, and in the front part I'm able to put a fully fledged running RS4 with all the accessories without any problems. The full coverage of the MAURO'S webbing allows the free-form attachment, pouches and accessories all around the backpack. With the 35-liter backpack you will be getting also the rain cover. The high-performance fabric resists splashes, abrasions, tears and strains, making it ideal for withstanding harsh outdoor environments. On the back panel you have the dedicated laptop compartment, and yes, I can fully fit my 16-inch laptop Lenovo without any problem. On the front pocket you have additional storage from your items. On both sides of the backpack you have storage for your tripod or water bottles. The complete backpack has a full coverage of YKK water-resistant zippers. On the shoulder strap there are also attachment points for your additional camera gears and combining your additional accessories from PGYTECH. The suspended ventilated back panel makes your all-day airflow a breeze, with maximum heat dissipation keeping your back cool and dry. The simple hook and loop design ensures you a perfect fit for different body types. The built-in divider system allows you to adjust compartments according to the gear, size and quantity for a completely flexible storage. Well, there you have it, the OneMo Tactical Backpack 35-liter ready for your next adventure. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer to all them. Till my next one, thumbs up if you liked, subscribe with the bell icon to get notified every time I make a video, and see you on my next one.